students, how you all? I hope you all are well. Now in the last session we have completed our chapter number 1. Now today we are going to start with our chapter number 2. The name of the chapter number 2 is addition. Addition concept is not new to you. You have learned about it in your previous class as well. So today we are going to start our chapter with the recap exercise, which is based on the concept of your previous class. Okay. So before solving the exercise, let us have a look.
So let us quickly revise what you have studied in your previous class with the help of an example. Now here the example is given. It is written over here that it is the annual function of school and many parents have come to cheer their children. There are 789 males and 456 females. So how many parents have come to see the school's annual function? Now what you have to do, you have to find out the total number of parents that have come to see the function. So let us see the solution for this. The total number of audience will be 789, that is of males, and 456, that is of female, and we have to add them to find out the solution. So first of all, writing these digits in the column properly, we can write it as ones, tens, hundred, thousands, 9 in the ones place, 8 in the tens place, 7 in the hundred place, and of 456, 6 in the ones place, 5 in the tens place, and 4 in the hundred place. Now we will add 789 with 456 and always have to start the addition from the ones place. So let us add first of all 9 plus 6. So 9 plus 6 will give you 15. We will write 5 in the ones place, 1 as a carryover on the tens place. Now add this 8 plus 5 plus 1 of carryover, it will give you 14. Write down 4 in the tens place, 1 as a carryover in the hundred place. Again add 7 plus 4 plus 1 of the carryover, it will give you 12. So when we add 789 plus 456, we get the answer as 1245. So the audience present in the school annual function is 1245. So in this way we can carry out the addition that you have studied in your previous class. Now let us have a look at the questions of recap exercise, and then we are going to solve the questions one by one. So the first question of recap exercise is add each of the following. Now what you have to do here, you have to add the given numbers by writing in columns. So the number is given as 6, 4, 1, 6 and have to add with 3, 2, 5, 4. So according to the rule, whenever we want to add, we always start to have adding from the ones position. So first of all we'll add the ones, then tens, then hundred and then thousands. So on the ones place there is 6 and there is 4. So 6 plus 4 is equals to 10. So we will write 0 over here and take the 1 as a carryover to the tens place. Now add this 1, 5 and this 1 of carryover. So please add 5 plus 1 6 plus 1 7. So we'll write 7 on the tens place. Moving on to hundred place, there is 4 and 2. So 4 plus 2 is 6, and on thousand place there is 6 and 3. So 6 plus 3 is equals to 9. So the addition of 6 4 1 6 plus 3 2 5 4 gives the answer as 9 6 7 and 0. Moving on to part B. The part B has digits 2708 and 5142. So let's start adding it. First of all add the ones place, that is 8 and 2. 8 plus 2 is equals to 10. We'll write 0 here and take 1 as the carryover on the tens place. Then on the tens place there is 0 and 4. 4 plus 0 is 4 plus 1 of carryover, that is 5. So we'll write down 5 here. Moving on to hundred place, there is 7 and 1. 7 plus 1 is equals to 8, and on the thousands place there is 2 and 5. So 2 plus 5 is equals to 7. So the addition of 2708 and 5142 is 7, 8, 5 and 0. Now this part C is meant for your homework. It has the digits as 2913 and 5668. So do this part in your homework. Moving on to second question. The second question is find the sum using expanded form. Now what you have to do, you have to write the expanded form of the given digits and then have to add. So first part is 4563 plus 5321. So the expanded form of 4563 is 4000 plus 500 plus 60 plus 3. Similarly, 5321 can be written as 5000 plus 300 plus 20 plus 1. Now what we have to do? We have to find the sum. Now how can we find the sum? For this we have to write it properly in this way. So first of all we write down 4000 plus 500 plus 60 plus 3, then 5000 plus 300 plus 20 plus 1. Now we will add starting from the ones place, that is 3 plus 1 is equals to 4, 0 0 0 will give you 0, 6 plus 2 is 8. So 60 plus 20 will give you 80. Next is 500 and 300. Now 0000 if we will add, it will gives you 00, and 5 plus 3 is equals to 8. So 500 and 300 will gives you 800. And 4000 plus 5000, 4 plus 5 is 9. So it will give you 9000. So addition of 4000 plus 500 plus 60 plus 3 and 5000 plus 300 plus 20 plus 1 will give you 9000 plus 800 plus 80 plus 4. After adding in the expanded form, we will write the short form of the answer, that is 9884, 9884. So in this way, by adding in the expanded form, we get the answer as 4563 plus 5321 is equals to 9884, 9884. So in this way you can find the sum using the expanded form. The question part B is meant for your homework. The digits are 6523 plus 2312, and you have to do it in the homework by using the expanded form method. Moving on to question number 3. Question number 3 says that add the following. You have to add the given digits. First of all, we have to write them in column and have to add. So the digits are 3549, 2843, 1564. So by writing the columns, we can write it as 3549, 2843, 1564, and we'll start adding from ones place, then moving on to tens, then 100, and then 1000. So on the ones place there is 9, 3 and 4. So 9 plus 3 plus 4 will gives you 16. You will write 6 here and take 1 as the carryover on the tens place. Now add 4 plus 4 plus 6, that will give you 15 by adding 1 of carryover as well. So you will write 5 here and then 1. Then add 1 plus 5 plus 8 plus 5, and it will give you 19. So we'll write 9 here and take the 1 as the carryover on the thousands place, and moving on to thousands place. Now we'll add these digits, that is 1 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1, it will give you 7. So the addition of 3549 plus 2843 plus 1564 gives you the answer as 7956, that is 7956. B part 6018, 1625 and 1804 is meant for your homework. First of all, you will just write all the digits like this in a column and then add like this. Always start addition from the ones place, then move to tens place, then to the 100, and then to the thousands, and so on. Moving on to next question. The question number 4 is fill in the blanks. A part is 5632 plus 1. So here you will see that there is only one digit that is on the ones place. So you just add this digit here. So 5632 plus 1 will give 5633. You just do this addition only by in the mind without doing the actual calculation. Next part is 7849 plus 10. Now here on the ones place there is 0, on the tens place there is 1. So you just use these two digits in the addition. So 9 plus 0 will become 9, and 4 plus 1 will become 5. So 78 remains 78, and 4 will become 5, and 0 will become 9. So 7849 plus 10 is equal to 7859. C part is 9652 plus 100 and 2586 plus 1000. These both questions are meant for your homework. In this, what you will do, you will add this to the 100 place, and here you will add this digit to the 1000 place, and rest of the digits will remain same. So do it in the homework. Now question number 5. Question number 5 is write the missing addends. You have to fill the missing addends. A is 800 plus dash is equals to 1500. Now for finding this addend, what you have to do? You have to subtract this from this. So you have to subtract 800 from this 1500. So just subtract 8 from 15. When you will get subtract 8 from 15, you will get 7 in the answer, and you will write the 2 zeros here like this. So 800 plus 700 will gives you 1500. Part B is meant for your homework. What you have to do, you have to just subtract 2500 from 6000 and you will get your answer. Part C is 300 plus dash plus 300 plus 1800. Now 300 plus dash For finding this dash, what you have to do, first of all you will add this 300 plus 300. 3 plus 3 is 6. So 600, and you have to subtract this 600 from this 1800. So you will subtract 600 from this 1800 and you will get your answer as 1200. Okay. So in this way you can do the part D as well. So D part is 3500 plus dash plus 1000 is equals to 9000. This is for your homework. So first of all add this digit with this, and whatever the answer you will get, subtract it from this, and this will gives you your answer. Okay. So this completes our recap exercise of our chapter number 2, addition. So just complete your homework, do the practice. This was an easier exercise which was based on the concept that you have studied in your previous class. Okay. And if you have any query, you are free to ask on our school email ID, that is vbbshakarpuronlineclasses@gmail.com. So this was all for today. Please complete your work, keep practicing, and see you in the next session. Till then, take care. Bye.